it's fucked. Who fancied filling a fucking engine here? Eh? Fancy filling a fucking engine full of water here? Filling an engine?
Is that too big or too small?
It's the right size. It's just on that well. Herbert, how many newton meters of torque's your gun?
No.
That's what's spraying. That bucket's going to do lots of good there where it's dripping there. Might need a few more buckets.
I'll go watering that.
The bus only holds like 20 litres of coolant.
It's not going to leave it out. I should give you a bit more leeway.
But I'll do that coolant pipe. Yeah. That one.
That's fine.
Yeah, that one. Should be able to do that as well.
Let's look at empty out. Just a bit, it's actually steaming up. Oh.
They don't want a brew.
Fucking orange.
Not a brew, what?
No, I don't want to.
Not brew like that.
And it is it? Not chocolate.
No, chocolate like that.
Yeah, I've got one.
Go.
So it's chocolate, orange chocolate in it. You use this little cheap push.com.
That's right.
I've got that. I believe that's yours, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it is actually.
Hey, we may laugh at wish.com, but guess it's working.
Wow. Wish for what? It's working. I haven't said that the wish job is going to turn out better than sure. It's a really good job.
That's until the bed. The smallest little bit of pressure.
Yeah. I have right now. Not a nice, but come on.
I know it has. It's another pipe that needs doing before we run it at any pressure. Can you imagine the pressure that this compressor's put the coolant system on?
Yeah. Well, we did see yesterday.
But yeah, most of the pipes are rated for 10, 11 bars of pressure before they break.
So we must have been doing quite a bit more. I'm flagging it on camera.
Fine. Don't lose that, cost me 40 quid that.
No, in other words, if I lose it, I'll be paying 40 quid.
We're going to Thomas Hardy. Try and move the other end as well. One end's got to do it. Is it still hot, that water?
Yeah.
I don't know where all my spanners have gone. I'd love to know.
We'll have to do pat down search at the end of the day now. Right, empty fucking pockets.
Amazon. That hose on, is it?
Yeah.
Maybe
Just tighten itself back up.
Maybe get a dryer bar and maybe dry it off something else.
What would we dry it off?
The compressor. Oh,
put on the side just behind the passenger seats.
Right, so we've gone from asking it and then
We still don't know where the things are.
they'll be on fucking. Oh, they'll be on it. Fancy.
That's up. It's off. Okay now.
New business now.
That sounds off. Fucking hell. What? Keep scalding. You sure you don't want a bit of energy? So is Emma.
Size did you give me? 32 is probably a bit too small still.
Bloody hell.
No, if I've got a 32 in my hand.
Oh.
But somewhere in a high level meeting, right, at Volvo, they decided that this water pipe that runs from the water pump needs to run down there, across there, up over the compressor in the way, and it's an intercooler.
When we say one high level meeting, you probably do mean just one bloke wants to sink in. How can it be much of a pain in the arse?
Yeah.
No, do that.
Why is the Swedish equivalent to Budweiser?
The pipe moves, so we might be able to take the compressor off with the pipe on and then.
And trust me, B10Ms are a lot worse because I still can't get my top plate off.
Yeah.
I ran them with a bolt off.
It's not big enough!
That's what she meant.
We're at 34 we need. We don't know.
No.
Are there any other bigger spanners in this van?
No, that's not right. That's how big
I think you should see.
It's alright.
36.
Didn't get sleep.
Mate.
I missed half.
Babe, you're still not really good
I missed
enough.
half, but I was asleep. Oh, guess who was there? No. Get on.
Yeah, I'm restless, so give me something to do. Yeah, I can't stay here because I need to dance. Jump around and show them how I move. Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If someone's pouring up a drink, I'm calling shawty. I'm gonna find a crowd so I can put it on me. Swinging from the chandeliers, I won't be sorry. I got a feeling I'm gonna crash into this party.
Take it back to Volvo. Can I have a new bus?
Yeah.
It says it's yours. Ah.
No, no.
What?
No.
Oh, someone hold that. Hold it by me and actually put some residual force on it.
Take your broom and sweep a yard. You better brush it good, or we go fall apart. Don't give me no shorter thing. You have all day and night. I had to satisfy, so you better do it right. What you waiting for? Put your back in it. Just a little more. Throw your waist in it now. Tell your body you're 10. Work it hard and long. When you
try to clean up. Oh, go up. Let me set your spanner. I can see the air coming out of it. What a... Yeah. That had water in it. What a
I've got an headache.
Oh, we need a breaking bar. Gonna be down in it on this. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm doing not after it, but after full B10.
Personal achievement.
Yeah, it is a personal achievement.
Oh, what a fucking place to put a nut!
Where is it? What, all the way?
There. Nearly on it. Oh. That sounded good, didn't it? I wish I was drunk when I thought of this. Fucking hammered, I wish. Absolutely paralytic. I must have been when I went, no, I'll buy you a box, it'll be great fun.
I make a video of that with big shit tons of alcohol, just get pissed and just next to the bus. Repainting bright pink.
Not for the problem. We got a bit pissed last night and we'll come out and it's some fun for a blow from on the back.
We got rips and keys, take them back.
Looks like it's slide.
What are they? Are they Kingswell
That's
Dream?
the biggest dad joke.
Are they Kingswell Dream ones? Just sorry, tag the boy.
It's better than what Chris said to you when he seen you. Oh, look, that bit when he seen you in skinny jeans, he went, how the f*** are you going? Yeah, he said, oh. Yeah, there's another blue ones. I can't fit them.
No, I've got a pair of snow jeans and you put them on, they give you no air in your area. I put them on.
You feel like a BG, don't you?
No, I was walking around and being pushed back inside of me.
Jesus Christ, I'm skinnier then.
Skinny. You could see all my muscles, like the leg muscles through it, everything.
No, it's not like muscles, it's like fat.
Nothing like it's solid muscle, that. I'm not conning it.
Yeah.
Yet.
What, next month?
No, give me some time. Christmas.
That's it, mate. Actually got the Volvo cold.
Well, it's either they've been on there for 20 years or someone's used these genuine parts. So it's probably been alive for 20 years.
What did you spill in the van? We heard a massive crash.
Stuff that hadn't been put back properly. The usual with Ian's van.
We need a proper workshop, don't we, where all the tools are not stored in the back of the van.
What we need is everyone to just grow a pair and actually take control of the situation rather than just going, oh, it's someone else's job, it's someone else's job. You can tell you're near Manchester.
Look, genuine Volvo part.
Well, I just saw the Volvo, so it might be the Volvo part.
The only downside is these are quarter-inch drive.
That's it. Oh no. Right. See if you can get a spanner in that top one. What's that spanner? 24.
What spanner?
24.
20? Look, Webster.
See in the hole just down there? See the one bolt that's holding everything now on?
Right.
Can you turn it? No. Well, if there was a gasket that should be there, it isn't. That should with some force come off now. So we need to do it on that side. Oh well, is it?
Fucking hell. Yeah.
Bucket! Intercooler is still full, but that looks like proper wash.
Yeah. Oh, today's entertaining.